Right, what about just continuing on with the small lock thing? This isn't them, I've picked all them. Well, I haven't picked that one there for obvious reasons, like, but it's about this one. That's your ordinary 70mm, and that's this one. Smallest disc lock I've ever seen. Works dead on, it's a 4-pinner. Trying to pick more. Try my hands because my hands are slippy here. Hardest part's tensing him, really, like, because and then getting your pick in there. So if we can get the pick on the tension wrench in there, like, I don't know what usings are saying here actually, like. There we go, not too hard. Smallest disc lock I've ever seen. If you have a smaller one, let me know. 70mm. Say it's about 40mm. I think them are 80. So 80, 70, 40. It's probably 60s and 50s and all the rest of it, but like I say, smallest one I've ever seen. Bye, thanks for watching.